Hello guys, welcome to the WebAppic channel. In this video, we'll learn how to extend product title for our feed. So without further ado, let's jump in and learn how exactly we can do this. Before we get started, it's important to understand why the product title is so important. A product title is one of the first things a customer will see when they're looking for your product. This creates a lasting first impression and it also helps generate interest for your product. Now, if you have a good, attractive, and informative product title, this will help increase your visibility. Moreover, when the customer is searching for your products, this will better show up and the SEO will be optimized for you. All this in turn will help you increase sale for your product. Now, let me show you an example of what a good product title looks like. As you can see here, under our shoes, we have a lot of information that is already displayed in our product title. We can see the brand, we can see it's for summer, it's men's shoes, and moreover we can see the color and size as well. So since a lot of information is presented to the customer, a customer is more likely to buy this product. Moreover, because the product has so much information, when the customer is searching for it, all these keywords might be hit, which increases the chances of your product being shown to your customers. Now let's go to our site and check how exactly we can create similar product titles by using our plugin CTX Feed. To create an extended title, go down to Attribute Mapping. Here we will be able to create an attribute according to our needs. Click on Add New Mapping. Once you've done that, let's give it a name. Let's say title with brand. I'll keep it simple for now. Now if you're using more than one attribute, this is the separator that we use in between the two attributes. For now I'm just going to use a dash here. Let's look at brand. There we go. And I'll add another one. Let's say add new row. And I'll add the product title. Let's go save this mapping. Now once the attribute is created, let's go ahead, put it into our feed and see how it shows up. Let's use the new attribute that you have just created in one of our existing feed. Let's go here, scroll down. As you can see under title here, we have the product title showing up. Instead of this, I want the bigger title with brand to show up. So let's find the attribute that you have just created. There we go, title with brand. Let's scroll down, update and generate feed. Once the feed is generated, let's download it and have a look. There we go. As expected, we can see the brand here. This is the attribute separator, and here we can see the product title. Similarly, let's look at another product. This is the brand, the separator, and the product title. Let's see if this is consistent with our products. Under sneakers, let's take a look at the brand, Nike. Yep, this is working as expected. Let's look at the next one, which is heels, and as you can see, the brand is Gucci. So this is what a simple extended product title looks like. However, as you can tell, this does not describe the product very well and contains minimum description. Let's go ahead and create a new title that has more in it. So let's go back to our attribute mapping. And let's go ahead and create a new one. Add new mapping. Let's say extended product title. Now if you don't put anything in the attribute separator, they're just going to space it out with a normal space. Now let's start adding all the attributes that we would need. Let's start with brand. There we go. Let's add another one. The next one I want to show up is season. There we go. And then followed by the gender. Let's find gender. Let's add one more. Now we want the product title to show up. So product title. Let's find color. And last but not the least, we want the size to show up as well. Let's go ahead and save this mapping. Now let's go ahead and configure this in one of our feed and see how it shows up. Let's use the same feed that we have previously used. Let's scroll down and change this to the new one that we have created, extended product title. Let's update and generate this feed. Once the feed is ready, let's download it and have a look. This is what our new product title looks like. As you can see, it's a lot bigger than the previous one, and also at the same time it provides us with a lot more information. So when the customer is searching for this product, it's more likely to hit one of these keywords because it has a lot more description in it. The same goes for our other product as well. As you can see, it provides us with a lot more information. If you wanted, you could have manually added all this information initially when you're creating that product, but that's not a practical solution, especially if you have a big store with a lot of products. Which is why a tool like this is specifically very useful, because it automatically picks up all the attributes that you want picked up in your title. There you go guys. Now you know how to create an extended product title for your feed. If you have any questions or issues, you're welcome to reach out to us at support@webapppick.com. I hope you guys found this video useful. Please leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. I hope everybody has a good day. Thank you very much.